everybody, I'm back for a quick unboxing, and these are the last few things that I was waiting on from Foxy Fix. So I've got this pouch, and all I did was pull the tab. Now we've got a couple of different orders in here. So let's see what we've got here. Okay. Okay, good. So this should be everything. So, oops. So of course we have their business cards. And I will hold that up so you can see. There we go. So we got a couple of different samples. This first one is that Spice Jade, one of those new colors that they had limited run of. Very pretty color. And this one is Zoe in the almond. Ooh, it's very pretty. It reminds me of the this is the Zoe in the Posh. It's the exact same thing, except instead of black, it's this beautiful, creamy almond color. I'll add those to my stash. Oh, surprise! This is just a little gift from us to you, made from beautiful leftover pieces of leather. We hope you enjoy and have a wonderful day, sincerely the Foxy team. Oh, look! It is a card holder. And this is the Zoe leather, and it looks like it is, yep, it's the Posh, which is a beautiful black, dark black leather. Very cute. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. I have a card holder in the wildflower amber, and then I also have one in the sugar cupcake, the white, I think it's white, or is that icing? I can never remember the names of those. So, very cool. Now, let's see what we have. Oh, pretty. This is the Foxy Fix Spice latte. There we go, latte. And it is the Petal double-sided pen holder. So you can see it fits pens on this side. Take my paper mate out. And on this side. So isn't that pretty? So that's the lace. Or sorry, the latte with the petals. And the one thing we have in here, this is a new design. This is, you can see it's the petal design, but it is one of these. It's a card holder. This is the Spice leather in time. See how it matches my beautiful number 0, my micro. But since there's lots of cards. So what you'll see in here is you've got a card slot there. You have a card slot back here where the Foxy Fix embossing is. And then you also have a card slot in there. So you could store a lot of your items that you normally would have in your wallet, or use this as your wallet, and then just, here, let me take my cards out. Or you could have your cards, like your credit card, your debit card, or whatever, in here, and just stick it in the end of your wallet. or your micro, or you could slip it in back here. Or I wonder, will it might be too big to fit in one of these. Yeah, it's a little too big for the micro, but it could probably fit in one of the passport, the number 1 or the number 2, and then that would have, you know, your driver's license, your insurance, maybe a debit card, maybe fold up a little bit of cash and put it in the center. Just very practical, very, very useful. So instead of having a wallet insert like this, you could easily go for something like this. So I just thought I'd share with you this quick little unboxing of some of their smaller and their new style. That latte is a gorgeous color, and it smells really nice. Let's see. Yeah, so does the spice. I like the smell of the spice time. But let's see this, the Zoe. Is it Zoe or Zoe? Very cool. And of course, the leather samples we got today. So just a quick little unboxing. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.